Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to use goal seek function in Excel sheet. Goal seek is one of the most important function in Excel. Goal seek is a powerful tool in Excel that allows you to find a specific value for a formula by adjusting one input variable. It's particularly useful when you have a target result in mind and need to determine the input value required to achieve that result. Here is step-by-step guide how to use goal seek. This is Excel table I want to use and apply the goal seek function in this. Now I have these students and marks obtained by them. So I just want to know how much marks are required by Leela in order to get reached to 400 value. Or you can say that if I want to reach to 400 number, how much marks should Leela obtain? So to do this or to calculate the marks obtained by Leela, we have to go to data and then click on what if analysis. What if analysis, and then go to goal seek option. In goal seek option, you have three options. First is set cell, second one is to value, and third one is by changing cell. So the set cell means what is the value you want to change. This is the value I want to change. I mean, I want to reach to 400, and this is where you have to put the value you want to obtain, 400, and then click on the cell where you want to have the new value. This is the cell where I want to calculate the missing value. Now click on OK. I have done a mistake here. I have to clear it and then click again. Yes, this is how we calculated or we done the goal seek option. You can see that it itself calculated that 11 marks has to be obtained by Leela in order to reach to 400. Now I want to apply this function to percentage cell. I would first redo. Now I want to calculate that in order to get 90% marks, how much marks should be obtained by Leela. So go to data again, what if analysis, and goal seek. Now this is the set cell and then the to value where I want to go, where I want to reach to, for example, 90%, and this is the cell where I want to have the new or the calculated value. Now click on OK. Here you go. In order to reach to 90%, Leela has to obtain 61 marks. So friends, this is how we perform goal seek function in Excel sheet. I hope this video adds value into your knowledge. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel.